Be thankful for what you have, and to make sure that when you can influence somebody else to do the right thing, that you do it. This will be short because the doctors told me I'm not supposed to talk a lot because of the stitches in my lip. But I just had to share a story. When I was young, I had psoriasis, and back in those days, the treatment for it was ultraviolet light. And as a result, my daddy put a special light over my bed that I could get under periodically. And one time when I was in high school, I fell asleep and I got severe burns all over my face. As a result of that, I have had to have many basal cell carcinomas removed from various places around my face, and today is another one of those. A few weeks ago, I had a biopsy done, couldn't think of the name, and it showed that it didn't get it all, and it healed, and so my face was all clear. And I was very tempted to just let it go. But my doctors said to me that I could do that, but that the chances are that it would grow back. And today I went in to have the Mohs surgery done, and it turned out it was very deep, and at the same time revealed that there was another one on my lip that I needed to take care of. And I'm just so thankful, one, that my doctor encouraged me to do something about it, and two, that I live in a country and in economic circumstances that I can get the treatment I need. I realize that millions of people around the world do not have that. And the reason I wanted to share that video is just to remind you to be thankful for what you have, and to make sure that when you can influence somebody else to do the right thing, that you do it. Have a great day.